In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Zotero primary email address. Whether you're switching to a new email provider or just updating your contact information, it's important to make sure your Zotero account reflects these changes so you don't miss any important notifications. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, we'll begin by navigating to Zotero's website. Open your web browser and type in the URL bar, zotero.org. Once you're on the homepage, find and click the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll see your username displayed in the same area at the top right. Next, let's open your profile page. To do this, click on your username, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Profile. This will take you to your account's profile page where you can manage your personal information as well as email addresses associated with your Zotero account. Now, in the Profile section, locate the Emails area. This is where you can view all the email addresses linked to your account. To add a new email, simply click on Add Email. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Once you've done that, confirm the entry by following the instructions on the screen. Zotero will promptly send a verification email to this new address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Let's move on to verifying your new email address. Open the inbox of your new email provider and look for an email from Zotero. Inside, you'll find a verification link. Click the link to verify your new email address. This step is crucial because without verification, you won't be able to use this email as your primary contact. Once the verification is complete, return to your Zotero profile page. Now go back to the email section under Settings. Here, you should see your new email address listed along with the others. On the right-hand side of the new email entry, there should be an option to Make Primary. Click on that, and your newly added email address will become your primary email. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your primary email address on Zotero. Remember, staying updated with your contact information is essential to ensuring seamless communication and access to any updates or information from Zotero. If you ever need to change it again, you can just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.